Hello and welcome. It's a Sunday, a rainy Sunday afternoon here. Pretty nice, relaxed, chilled. And I'm gonna just do a little test piece in view of doing a larger piece. So this is turquoise, but I added a good chunk of dark blue to send it a little bit more richer. And you know what, I've got some raindrops on my canvas because. So just going to spread this out nice and easy, lemon squeezy. Hope I find you all well and good, taking care of yourself in light of all the goings on in the world. Get your own little space, whether it be in the garden or out on a sports field, or of course a little piece of a table somewhere in your garden or your shed or your kitchen bench top to do a bit of this art, because it stops you thinking about all the other stuff that's going on in this world. Right here. So my nice turquoise, now can you hear it absolutely tipping down with paint? Oh my god, I'm really losing it today. Tipping down with rain, absolutely pouring. So I've got the cool blue, I'm going to put along here. I am going to go purple. Oh gosh, that didn't work out too well, did it? I want to put some of the champagne gold in there. Oh, that always lifts it. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. I think I'm going to stick with this minimalistic colour palette, believe it or not. I just love that champagne gold with those colours, that's beautiful. I'm going to, let's see if I've got my little blower that I used to use, my mini blower. I'm not sure if it actually works. I don't think it did, I'm not going to use it. I'm going to try two different things first. First of all, I might try, I've got these little bits of plastic cut up, so I'm going to dip them in this mix of, it's black with just Australian Floetrol. So I want to see if I can get some lovely, ooh yes. Lovely. Oh, I have to bring you down to see those. They're gorgeous. My goodness, I've got my washing on the line. Oh well. No worry. Those colours are beautiful against that turquoise. Really lovely. So it's just merrily going along and dipping your little plastic sleeve thing in this mix. That is a bit, see if I can, when I bring you down and show you those cells that are coming from that, it's pretty nice. Now the other side, I think I'm going to blow down. Oh, what have I done? I think I'm going to actually put the line of this, just a fine line. I'm going to use my straw. It's just a stainless steel straw with a silicone bendy end. I just got from a cheapy shop. So turn the whole piece around. That black has disappeared into there. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. A little bit smaller. The colours are beautiful. I'm going to blow up a balloon. I could try this first. Remember, it's all experimental. You do exactly as you choose. And just put a few puddles there. I'm going to blow them out. Oh, I think those will be nice. And then if I use my deflated balloon in the centre, pick up, oh beauty, that's a bit weird. Just wipe your balloon in between your balloon kisses. Oh, that's super gorgeous. I think I'm going to continue on with those puddles. This colour is my Berry Delicious. It's a very, very dark plummy colour that I custom make. Oh my goodness, I've dropped that thing in it. The plastic sleeve. Oh jeez Louise. Flipping floppers. Oh, it's created a nice happy accident. It hasn't gone muddy, so it's all good. Oh, very nice. Oh, that is just gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I love those colours together. Super good. If you find your balloon kisses are kind of falling in, you can either go away, leave your paint to dry off a bit, or press back into the same area and wipe off your balloon each time. But I'm going to leave that now. Just add a few of more little tendrils because they are creating some lovely lacing. So I'll go up this way with them, dipped it in again. Ooh, so nice. Adding that champagne gold as well. When it dries, it'll really make this sparkle. I'm gonna bring you down. I'm gonna finish off my edges too. That's gorgeous. Colours are beautiful. Well, I am really chuffed to bits with that. That's just gorgeous. That turquoise, beautiful, the gold in it will, I know, dry really sparkling. And look at those lovely effects in there. It's already sparkling. Oh, I think that was a very easy peasy lemon squeezy, and it's just gorgeous. Colours are really lovely together. I'm really happy with that. I'm going to try next one of my famous dips and kisses, but with minimal colours, because probably using these same colours, because someone said, why do you use so many colours when you do those dips? You don't need all the colours. So I'm going to try and be minimalistic. So we'll see how that one goes, hey? But there you go, super happy with that. I'm sure it'll dry absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that and it gave you some inspiration, whether it be for colour or to just have a go at this. I have beginners videos, and if you click on the link in my main YouTube page, there is a playlist for beginners and it tells you how to mix your paints, so on and so forth. There's one there for coating your art in resin, and also just coating the art in varnishing. So it is all there, and the recipes to everything. So my lovelies, please take care. Remember, if you don't take care of yourself, then you're no good to anyone else. Until next time, bye for now.